Whether you're pouring a new concrete slab or resurface an existing one, if it's an outside surface, it's a good idea to add some texture so that it doesn't become slippery when it's wet. With new concrete, this happens after most of the finishing is complete. After the surface has been leveled and made smooth with floats and trowels, use a broom to add a small amount of texture to the surface. Do this when the concrete has cured to the point that it is becoming solid but is still soft. Dragging a stiff, bristled broom slowly across the surface creates tiny ridges in the surface. Make sure the broom strokes are consistent and traveling in the same direction. When you're resurfacing an existing slab, the process is pretty much the same. Just be sure that the surface is hard enough that the broom won't remove the resurfacer, just lightly score it. In either case, you'll end up with a lightly textured surface that's both attractive and safe to walk on.